Hey guys, it's Yats, and today I'm going to show you the ultimate challenge on the original Series game. So, here I am before the home. You have to start the ultimate challenge. Actually, you have to go to the tunnels where Wind Clan went when Shadow Clan drove them out, and then you come to here. And after Cinderpelt's quest, you can go in here. And then that little rock is where you could blue cell, yellow fang, and tiger cell, which is what you're done. Save again, climb, and there is. And then here we have Mystery Castle. Dot. I thought you might come sometime. So far, the cat has managed to defeat me in combat. I have prevailed over every challenge, as have you. Even so, one of us must be better than the other. We should do better to determine which of us is stronger. Note, I have done this once before, actually, a few minutes ago. So, see, I believe I blast. And you cannot poison or stun him, or his supreme wrath pounding will get you. And he only has that much health, so he's really lame if you think about it, because Scourge has more health than him. But I guess if you think about it, it's like he has. You can't poison or stun him like in the new Prophecy game, so that's. Oh wow! I've already done 2 battles and nobody but him. Wow. I'm going to have a lot of starlights. Last up a smash. Just gonna miss. Maybe not. Wow. Number 4. Keep on going down. And smash. And look this time. It's gonna miss. Hit him. That's bad. That's bad. That's very, very bad. It's on the maximum now. TV, blue, glass, switch, and I forgot. That's bad. That's bad. That's very, very bad. Hit. Yep. Hit, baby. One. I don't care. I don't know. Item, catnip, you, and item, catnip. Yes. Hit! Crap, I'm not gonna get a chance to use item, catnip, blast, catnip, you, and you can use him. That's bad. Maximum heal? Only that? I mean, it doesn't even give you all that much. What kind of a lame cat is this? Okay, back to what to say. And that's bad. That's very, very bad. Come on, will you die already? Don't! Why is it always Scourge? That's bad. That's bad. That's very, very, very bad. It's stop missing! Will you die already? Die already! Okay, 10 health yourself. Smash, and guess I can't do it. Thank you. Okay, we did. Bye. Well, wait a minute, I don't want to do that. Catnip. And again. Are you ever gonna heal Blue Star? This is a lot easier actually than the new prophecy ultimate challenge. I keep on doing that. And then smash, then death blow again. Don't. Ah! It's bad. It's very bad. Don't use Fire Fury. Why is it always? Wow. Probably because he's here more shooting. You can use Starlight. Let's see, catnip. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's bad. That's bad. Ah! Sorry, Fury. And stop. Hit him! Hit! Throw you a yes! Really? I won! Eh! Oh yeah! Starlight. Oh yeah! I just defeated Firestar! Again! Too bad he can't join me because I'm already him. It's also because you just can do it over and over and over again. So that was the ultimate challenge and probably 2 minutes. Alright. Goodbye. Hey guys, I am going to attempt the ultimate challenge on the new prophecy game. And I will have to pause before I actually get there because, well, the Wayward left me here. Yep. Yeah, so let's see. I have Scourge recruited now, and he is pretty much good. And his basic attacks are like, oh wow. Because like, he has, Dogtooth Claws, so ATK 250. And he has 9,999 HP, and he has 900. Wow. Okay. Main news that Stormfront has a lot of HP, even when you pass the cradle. SP. Okay, I'm pausing until we get to the moon pool. I'm zooming at the moon pool. Okay. Saving. Yeah. And I have to cast Nip here. Okay, so you tell me. The seventh moon pool shimmers with mysterious light. Yes. Would you like to cross the moon pool? Yes. Pretty. This light moves you across the moon pool. Mystical world tunnel. You found me. You have performed truly amazing feats in your life, as have I. Many cats would say that we are both living legends. One of us must be mightier, more legendary than all the others. What do you say? Do you accept my challenge? Yes. Good. Get ready for this battle. This battle, really, you will never forget. It's a fight you 9 times. Oh my god. Listen to this. Interesting. Can you use killing bite on him? I think so. Good. Okay, killing bite. Ooh, he outdid Scourge. Okay. That probably won't do much. Blood Clan Blast. Blood Clan Deception. Whichever one is. Yeah, hit him! Hit him! Hit him! Stun, yes. That's not good. Okay. I wish I could have done something else. Something good. Oh, Blood Flame Blast. Hit him! Yes! Kill him. Boogie. Absolute booginess. Oh my god! Yes, a lot! You're good, but remember, I have more lives than just one. Get ready. You made it to find like 5 times, and he only like has 5 lives left. Okay. Wait. Rage. What session? I will try killing myself. Kill him! Stun, yeah. Kill him! Yay, Scourge, you're good. Yay, okay. Yeah, you're good, but remember I still have more lives in this one. Get ready again. Okay. Hit him! Wow. Hit him! Aww. Everything's missing. Stun. Uh-oh. Okay, good. What? Wow, I don't know what you said. Again? Wait, shouldn't Avatar be like yeah, maybe he is level 99. Okay. I can't tell. Wait, I don't know to do that. Invite. Catnip. Hit him! Crud. Ah! Hit him! Yeah. What? I think this is catnip. Oh, we might all be level 99 now. I think like Silver is like maybe 2 levels to go. Okay. Catnip. Hit him! Yes! Stun. Uh-oh. You had better hit. That's not good. Use Blood Flame Deception that poisons and paralyzes. That's bad. That's very, very bad. Good. Oh my gosh, I don't want to reset again. Okay. You should use like that Blood Flame Deception first, so then it's killing back every time. Okay. You got one fight. And the float. Yeah. Sorry if you hit him. And a village. Kill him! What? Ah! He will never die! Now just use. Okay. I am not gonna have enough time for this. What's this? The fourth time? Hit him! Miss! Keep missing! What? You will not die here. Okay. He's like trying to oops. I'll just send them last. Or okay. At last. Dead. Yeah. How many times do you have to die? I don't know. 9 times. Yeah. This is bad. This is bad. This is very, very bad. Yes! Kill him! What? I know this one. Good? Really good. Okay. Shut the river break a couple times. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is bad. This is bad. This is bad. This is bad. Alright. Sorry for again. Right again. Item. Cat. Yeah. Kill him. Yes. He will not die. Hurry up and die, you stupid. I swear I'm gonna be a living legend after this. Again. My ear itches. Ah. Oh! Woo! Yay! Whoa, that's new! Awesome! How did you do it? What? Yes! Go, Apocalyptic Strike! What? Killing Bite, Fire Fury, River of Rage, the second assembly movie game. I thought so. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Boogie! Do a boogie! That looks so awesome. What? Do you think he has any bones? I doubt it, but he's trying. He's gonna use the right. I'll do one more. River of Rage and okay. Blood Clan Blast. Really? Good. He's like one more get chat with you. Hit him! Yes! Kill him! Three. I'm afraid that stun does not wear off. Okay. Right. Not gonna fix your Bend, mills, great. Why did she descend? Well, I don't know. 'Cause I don't know. I don't know if it can miss. Not perfect. Just to keep him standing for me. Hit him! Boogie! Ultimate Scourge! Well, how many times have we I hope this is close to last time. Let's get it in the Scourge. Okay. Use your broken section. Ooh, I don't want to do that. Broken section, this keep him still. Okay, like. Yay, it hit. Boogie! Hit him! Oh, look at that. So, you have defeated me. That's a wonder. Yay! We have completed the ultimate challenge. Yay! Buckle of struggle. 99, 99, 99. Oh, yeah. Look how much acorns we have. Let's see if I can. Can I see something? I can't. Yeah, nothing. Because you can have it. Yeah. Why can't we get the dang 5 design claws? He has every move except Blood Clans, right? I think so. Just about. Yeah. See what he does. Yes, okay. Okay, pausing till we get back to the moon form. I don't see. Yep. At the moon pool. Okay, let's see. I'm going to restore first. I remember. It's, yes. And, aha! The living legend. Okay, let's see what okay, wait. Well, okay, let's see. Middle heal, medium here. Maximum heal, remedy, greater remedy, revival, claw slash, claw shred, claw collecting, wave strike, one river, ray, twin gust, twin tornado shred, makes a shadow, shadowy vortex, poison shatters, poison charm, hyper poison, sand scatter, stunning bite, stunning crush, mega refresh, pulse light, mega heal, powerful heal, status blast, sand blast, app slash, mega revival, killing bite, and that's whoa. Okay, let's test that out. Welcome to the team of the Epic Cats, Firestar. I don't know, it's just like, you probably leveled up too much. Okay, little butts, let's see what you got. Because you probably don't got much. Okay, defends. I don't know. Okay. Open me. I swear, is that gonna do? Wait. What? They look exactly the same. Duh. Okay, let's see. I can't do a popular percent. Like last. They claim last. Miss? That never misses. I slapped my head and it hurt my ear. Okay. Okay, so maybe there's a rematch at some point. Okay. So. Okay. Okay, you're nearly at 900. Then. Okay, okay. What I'm going to do is first heal, then try pop the liquid strike a little bit more than light. So tell me what minute. Duh. Okay, the good thing about the tablet darkness is okay. It's an easy way to get from here to there, and sometimes I forget, so I end up walking away. I'm going to pass. Let's see. Yes. Yeah, I'm going to everyone to whatever HP is given. Okay, okay, I'm gonna try a particle cycle. Like the space for and this fight. What? Whoa, that was a lot. Okay, so maybe there's a rematch at some point, but I don't. Maybe there's a rematch. Yeah. I just forgot that I had Temple of Darkness. Eh. Okay, so I'm going to leave off now. So, I'm going to leave off. I'm gonna leave off for now unless it's a rematch in case I find that person might be. Okay, bye.